bought this rice cooker from Walmart. It's 20 cups. Medium actually. From the brand I can see it's a very famed Chinese brand. The quality is very good. So I bought it. It's 20 cup rice cooker, so it's a big one. And usually I bought the older one. It's only 10 cup, but I use the older one for cooking the rice and use this one because I see there are lots of function for this one, and so I use it for cook the meat like chicken, ribs, whatever meat. Maybe I'll make more videos on cooking such thing, gourmet. Let me open it now. Okay, let me take out the seal. Open it. It's a huge one. It's a beautiful one. Okay, let me open it. Oh. They have this, this is for bao, for steamed dumpling and baozi. Wow, there are 2 spoons. Yeah, plastic. One for rice and one for soup. Okay, this is for taking out measuring the rice and water. Measure cup. Yes. Wow, big bowl. Very big bowl. This is 20 cups. And comparing with the 10 cups. Oh no, this is 5.5 cups. So this is 25. 20 cups. Very big. Very good quality. Wow, it's a big one. And it's stainless steel, so it's very easy for cleaning. I love this one. Okay, let me see the functions. Lots of functions here. This is for making soup, stew, slow cook, saute, steam food, DIY, and quick rice, white rice, brown rice, oatmeal, chili, pasta. Wow, everything it can cook, both Chinese and Western food. I think I do lots of research and try to make up some menu to make more gourmet. And here it's very good, glass cup for holding the steamed water. Let me try it out. No light, so okay, there's a power button here. Okay, it's beautiful. Okay, for soup. Soup. It will cook 2 hours. This is 4 hours. This is 4 minutes. Yeah. Stew 1 hour. Slow cook. Saute. What's saute? I figure it out. Saute 30 minutes. What's that for? I figure it out later. Okay, quick rice, white rice. Oh, it's for choosing what kind of material you want. And this row is for the material you can choose. And this row, this column is for the way that you cook. Oatmeal, chili, pasta. Very interesting. Okay, I'll figure it out. And today I'm going to use it for cooking the chicken. So I don't need to, because before I buy it, every time I have to after I cook the rice, then cook the meat. Then now I don't need to do that. I can do them at the same time, and it will save lots of time. Isn't it a beauty? Oh, this is for slow cooking. How to turn it off? This is for warming up. I just play it. If you turn on again, it's for power off. I need to wash it first. The glass. Bottle of washing. And use the detergent. Because they are just come out from the factory, although it's very clean, and I still want to wash it first. Use the sponge, use this side, the softer side. wash it. Yeah, also upside, particularly the bottom. The bottom should always keep cleaning, or it will damage the machine. Yeah, it's done. And get it dry.